Alright, today we're going to talk about a different data structure type. So arrays, which we've learned about in the past, are good when you have a fixed amount of data. So let's say this one we wanted 10 different pieces of information. But say we all of a sudden need to handle an 11th piece of information in this array. Well, we can't do it because this array will never be more than 10 items long. It is set in memory and it cannot be changed. So if we want a data structure that can change, we make a list. And we make it of type integer with a capital I. And we say my int list, or list of integers, let's say, list of integers. And Eclipse will want you to import a list from java.util. You can just hover over the mouse and do that. So we've just declared a new list of integers. Now why do we use capital I integer? A list must be of objects. It can't be of primitive data types. So you can't use int. It'll get upset. So we need to use integer, which is a wrapper class, I believe. That's what it's called. So it's essentially just an object that stores integers and has a couple different abilities that are a little bit more specialized. So you can do that with doubles also. If you're going to make a list of doubles. So let's just make this a list of integers. And so this is a declaration statement here. When we want to initialize it, we say the name list of integers equals new ArrayList. Now we use a slightly different declaration of integer objects, and we do open and close parentheses at the end. You'll also need to import ArrayList. So now we have it. So let's go over the type. You say list, which is a parent class, then give it a type, in this case integer. Give it a name, so the type goes inside these carets, semicolon, and then we say name equals a new object of this type, ArrayList of integers, parentheses. And you just need to remember this right now. It'll make sense what's going on as we go. You'll get more and more used to it. So let's do it again. This time we're going to create a list of strings. So list type string, list of strings, give it a name, and you can do this all in one line, equals new ArrayList of type string, open and close parentheses, semicolon. So what we've done is create two different lists that can flex in size. One of the lists is of integers and the other is of strings, and that's enough for this video.